G for girl. G for girl. Girl means लड़की. H for head. H for head. Head means लड़की. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream means happy, 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 yummy. J for jug. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. K for kite. Kite means kite. L for lion. L for lion. Lion means cat. M for monkey. M for monkey. Monkey means monkey. N for nest. N for nest. Nest means O for orange. O for orange. Orange means P for peacock. P for peacock. Peacock means Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rose. R for rose. Rose means gulab. Wow, gulab ka phool. S for sun. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. सूरज का क्या खाता है बच्चों? धूप की, यस, रोशनी के लिए. T for tiger. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. धूप के लिए काम करता है छाता. V for van. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. गाड़ी में बैठने की मदद करती है. W for watch. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. घड़ी टाइम देखने के लिए काम आता है. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for